What is up, guys? Guido here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to go and replace your ugly yellow license plate bulb with a LED one. But this video will also work with just going and replacing it, say if it went and burnt out. And now I am doing this on a 2012 Chevy Impala, and this video will work from a 2008 Chevy Impala to a 2013 Chevy Impala. So let's just get straight into the video. Now it's super simple and pretty easy. These are the bulbs I'm gonna be putting in. They are just the LED version of just the regular halogen bulbs, and they are part number 194. And that is the license plate bulbs for the Chevy Impalas. And as you can see, they are just regular, good old LEDs. They are 6000K, so they will look amazing. And I'm only gonna need one of them, but they have two of them, so it's nice to have a backup, I guess. Say if one fails or burns out, and they are just cool white ones. So they will look really, really good. Now, as you can see, there's just two 7mm bolts right here, one here and one here. You're just gonna go and loosen these. Now you actually don't have to fully remove these, just loosen them just a little bit. Just like that. And once they're just a little bit loose, it will slide outwards or backwards out of its little thing, just like this. Okay, so now once it comes off just like this, just twist, just like that, and this will come off, and then your light bulb here will come out. Just like that. Now, the rule of thumb is obviously not to put your fingers on this, but it's way down in there. There's not really any way you can get it out without touching it, and that is how you remove the stock bulb. Okay, so now as you can see, here is the 6000K LED bulb, or just replacement one, whatever you're installing. And as you see, it just goes straight in. Just like that. And you're done, and you just go and put your shroud back on. Okay, so now your piece just goes back on. As you can see, it just slides on with the little nubs that go and line up. And then you go just twist it on, just like that. And then the light just goes and slides back up in where it goes and lines up. So as you can see, I just have this slid back up in there. And now once it's all installed again, just go and just snug these 7mm bolts back up and just make sure they're snug. Good. And then good. And now you're done. As you guys can see, it is a nice bright white, which looks way better than the ugly old yellowish light. And plus this will be a lot brighter and look a lot more modern. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and peace.